Today in writing, you are actually going to just do the list jot, not the write long strategy, to collect questions, wonderings, and ideas about the Incas, Mayans, and Aztecs. So this is exactly what we did together during shared writing after lunch yesterday about Christopher Columbus, though. So in class today, you're going to think about questions, wonderings, and ideas about the Incas, Mayans, and Aztecs. You're going to create a list in your writer's notebook of as many questions, wonderings, and ideas about those Incas, Mayans, and Aztecs. Then you're going to create a web of one of your questions, wonderings, and ideas in the center. And then remember, we talked about the Post-its. On the small Post-its, jot. Remember that it's quick. It doesn't have to be a sentence. 3 to 5 facts that you already know about the questions, wondering, and idea. So let's look at what we did yesterday. So here were our questions, wonderings, and ideas about Christopher Columbus. So we wondered where he was supposed to be going. Why did they end up somewhere different? I wonder where he was in the ocean. And I wonder why he was going. So that's what we created our list, just like you'll do in your your writer's notebook. So I'm going to take my one question that I selected, and I'm going to write it on a Post-it and put it in the center of my next clean piece of paper in my notebook. So I wonder why he was going. And then I've got to find another small Post-it, and I'm going to write down a fact that I know why he was going. Well, he was looking for treasure. So that's one fact I already knew about why he was going. Another fact, and I wrote it on another Post-it, he was attempting to go where Marco Polo had traveled. So that's on another Post-it. And then to complete my web, we thought of a third fact, and I'll be truthful, I can't remember what it was off the top of my head. So each jot is on a new Post-it. So my web has 3, and I can have up to 5. So if you finish, you're going to choose another question, write it, go to a new piece of paper in your notebook, write it on a Post-it, put it in the center, and get small Post-its and write your facts that you know that answer that question. So now I'm just checking for understanding. We are thinking about those questions, wonderings, and ideas. We're going to create a list in our notebook about those questions, wonderings, and ideas about the Incas, Mayans, and Aztecs, those Native American ancient civilizations. Then you're going to create a web, just like I showed you, of one of your questions, wondering, ideas in the center. And on small Post-its, we're going to jot 3 to 5 facts. That's things we know are already true about that question, wondering, or idea. So each Post-it has a different jot. If you have any questions, think back to what we did during shared writing yesterday after lunch, or raise your hand. Good luck. I want a great report for writing.